Seamless solutions for future-proof financial management. A global insurance company faced major compatibility issues with its wealth management advisory platform. After Internet Explorer was discontinued, their management platform had browser compatibility issues, affecting a portfolio worth over $20 billion. Alpha's engineers thoroughly analyzed their architectural workflow and integration environment, restoring this seamless portal functionality and ensuring advisors and clients could efficiently manage. Future-proof financial management. At Alpha, the future is now.